Hello, everyone. How are you doing? I hope you had a fantastic week. Before we get into some of the crypto news and what's going on in the market, there is a lot going on in the market. So much is going on, actually, that everyone is super excited about the next 3 to 6 months for price appreciation, huge price appreciations in the market. We're going to cover what's happening, what's hot, what's new, what's moving the market. But before that, couple of announcements. First of all, it's about Ultron Coin Market Cap is currently under development. So there is a coin market cap for all the coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, etc. So Ultron is going to have its own coin market cap. Every coin launched on the Ultron chain is going to be documented there. What's the price? What's the trading volume? All the information about it. So that is, of course, going to create a lot more awareness about the Ultron blockchain itself, and everyone who is the big whale. Everyone who has the big whale package is going to receive the airdrop of every one of these coins. The first one to be launched is Andy on Ultron. So Andy is already, as a meme coin, has quite a big name by itself. So Andy is going to launch on the Ultron. You see, make Ultron great again, like a Donald Trump hat over there, riding the big whale. So that's the first coin. After that is going to launch the Kimba. Kimba is going to launch, and after that is going to launch other coins like Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. And after successful launches, a series of them, after I don't know how many, 10, 15 coins, is going to launch the Wheelie, as Wheelie is already coming after a series of successful launches of on the Ultron chain. And we have another project that is coming in August. This is the Ultron political pump. So what it means is that there is a lot of political figures, like Donald Trump is very famous, right? Nayib Bukele is in El Salvador president. Claudia Sheinbaum is a Mexican president. So there's all kinds of political figures, current presidents, past presidents, is going to be launched on Ultron with limited supply on these coins, and basically creating this ecosystem, which is another one. And the coin market cap is expected to be launched on July 12th, in 10 days from now. And Big Whale, first token to be launched is UND, right? So basically that's already covered that. Akasha Supernode base deposits are live, so this is what a lot of people have been waiting for. It's already been live, so Base and Ultron, both of them are live on the Supernodes. And new FinUp trading strategies are live. The Binance Core and Delta Max, hundreds of thousands of dollars have been allocated to these strategies, and it's been producing well. So the best months, 18.4% for Binance Core and 9.3% for Delta Max. Okay, so basically this over here, okay, is the major event. So you should start expecting some airdrops coming with Andy. So this Big Whale, of course, we've been waiting for a long time for Big Whale to launch. So they're on the final stages to launch right after the Ultron Coin Market Cap launch, right after the Big Whale launch. So what the estimation is, after July 12th, launch of CoinMarketCap, maybe July 13, the Big Whale launch, and July 14, Andy launch. So that's That's the progression. So the first half of July, by the time the first half of July finishes, the first token is going to be live. Okay. Flip Me, I understand that within 1-2 days, all of the cards people that purchased in Mavi, they can redeem all of these cards. There's 15,000 plus cards that are waiting to be redeemed inside Flip Me. So that is coming already next 1-2 days. So those are the major news and updates. I'm gonna go over the market right now. Really brief but important, so everyone understands where we are right now, why this is so exciting period of time. Bitcoin is trading right now at $109,500. So we're seeing big price appreciation today for the price of Bitcoin. You can see a big fat green candle, and we are approaching price discovery, right? We're approaching the next levels for the price of Bitcoin, and everything is looking great for continuation of the trend. The way that we closed the second quarter with 30% profits, it's incredible. So we're talking about April, May, and June. You can see this green candle. This quarter closed on a very, very bullish, positive close, and we're continuing going upwards. There is many reasons for that. We're going to cover some of the reasons why. I expect that altcoins, if you haven't been positioned yet, if you missed out on some nice positioning over here, are expected to go way higher. A lot is going on right now. So first of all, let's start with that. Big beautiful bill passed today in USA. What it means that there's going to be a lot of reduction in the taxes, which means the spending is going to go up, which means that US national debt, which currently stands on $37 trillion, okay, is expected to go by $5 trillion more. So think about that. $5 trillion. That's what Elon Musk just tweeted. It's obvious with the insane spending of this bill, which increases the debt ceiling by a record $5 trillion. Okay? So what does it mean for crypto? Well, if we have more debt, more spending, where it's going to come from? All of this $5 trillion extra spending, where is it going to come from? It's going to come from printing more money. That's it. They're going to print more money. And because they're going to print more money, and Trump is talking about, if you check it out, 1% interest rates. He wants to fire the current Federal Reserve, and he wants interest rate cut to 1%. Basically, in simple terms, what it means is that a lot of printing, a lot of money is going to be printed, and it's going to find its way to crypto, because when a lot of money is being printed, the dollar itself is going down. It's weakening. Right now, the dollar is $97, the index of the US dollar. So it's going down. And the dollar is going down, the prices are going up. It's very simple economics. So we should expect everything to go up. Stock markets to go up. It's already at all-time high right now. And it's going to continue going up. Look, the stock market is all-time high. Real estate is going up. Bitcoin is going to go up. Crypto is going to go up. Every asset is going to go up because the dollar is going down. More printing, right? So Yeah, we should expect, if you understand what I just said, we should expect a very, very bullish next quarter, July, August, September. So in the next 3 months, we should see something nice in the market going up, and probably until the end of the year, we should see interest rates going down, being cut, and much more spending. Okay. We have billionaires Peter Thiel and Palmer Luckey. They're joining the crypto space and launching a new crypto bank, entire new crypto bank, and this is billionaires. It's not some ordinary people. So adoption is happening. You can see altcoin season. We are not in altcoin season yet. We are here, but look at the trend. The trend is shifting from down to up. The trend is shifting, and it's only a matter of time. Once we hit here, the altcoin season, it's already gonna be too late, right? If you're waiting for the altcoin season, it's already too late. You missed out on some of the biggest profits in crypto, right? The time to make your bets is here during this period, and here is you taking a lot of profits. Like, this is where you take the profits. This is not where you enter the market. This is where you take the profits. And the time to enter the market is now, before the altcoin season kicks in. We have a lot more companies who are adding more and more money into Bitcoin, like this Mogo, a public company, adding $50 million into Bitcoin across organization. We have $800 billion Standard Chartered Bank is seeing Bitcoin $135,000 in the third quarter and $200,000 in the fourth quarter of 2025 because of exchange traded funds, corporations that are buying, the interest rate cuts, and the bill on stable coins. This bill on stable coins will increase the supply of stable coins. If right now there is 250 billion approximately stable coin, USDT is 157 billion, the USDC is 61 billion. So with the stable coin bill, it can grow to trillions. Just the stable coins themselves will grow to trillions of dollars, and these stable coins will find its way to crypto, to buy crypto. If you see over here, what's called the hodl waves, we're in a similar positions to October 2023, October 2024, in terms of this metric is high and signifying. Look at this time period where the prices were pretty low, and the next leg to the upside followed. So this is where we are right now in July 2025. So all makes sense that we are going to go up. July has been historically one of the strongest months, so expect some strong months this month. We have Bit Digital, Nasdaq listed public company, raised $163 million to buy Ethereum. So this is an altcoin. Ethereum is usually leading the way of other altcoins. So currently it's trading at $2,540. It's up 6% on the day. And I would not be surprised that Ethereum is going to catch up its previous $4,000 level and then break it and continue moving forwards to new all-time highs. For Ethereum, because it is similar setup what we've seen in Bitcoin 2024 to Ethereum 2025. It's very similar setup, and when Ethereum breaks out from this $2,800, continuation to the upside towards the $4,000 is coming. So I'm bullish on Ethereum. I think this is the time. And other altcoins as well. There is Solana ETFs, which literally just started. You can see first US Solana staking ETFs. Okay, just just launched, like literally just launched. And other ETFs are gonna come. So capital is coming to altcoins. It's coming to altcoins. It's just the beginning of it. Okay, we see everything is all-time high. Bitcoin is following next. Cardone Capital adding 1,000 Bitcoin to the balance sheet, which again it's a lot of money, and they are loading up because they're not stupid. They know what's coming next. Okay, the way that we closed this quarter, Q2, is very, very bullish. So what else is important to share with you today? Well, yeah, she's another company. Figma is a big art company that invest in already $70 million invested, and another 30 million coming. So people are watching that. They're looking at the balance sheets. They're looking at these publicly traded companies, and they're like, wow, there's all these giants. They are buying Bitcoin. They're buying, where is Bitcoin? There is also other ETFs like Ethereum ETFs, right? And they're buying Ethereum, and they're finding its way into cryptocurrency as well. That's how it is. When Bitcoin gets bigger, then this money flows into Ethereum, into other altcoins as well. So that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm seeing coming. That's why this total two, the overall cryptocurrency altcoin space is gearing up for incredible next 3 months. So buckle up. Okay, that's what I want to share with you today. Domen is, I think, on the road. Is not going to be able to come today for this session. Okay, so that's what I got for you guys for today. Let me see if I'm able to answer a couple questions or not. Let's see. Everything in Ultron ecosystem is being updated. Okay, so if you see something is not showing, is not working inside the Ultron swap or inside Mavi, there's a big maintenance that is going on. Okay, so please, a little bit patience. Everything is all the statistics. Everything is gonna come how it should be. Okay. Yeah, everything is being updated. So everyone who is asking about NFTs not showing up in MetaMask or staking hubs not showing correctly, it's undergoing an update. Yeah. Well, again, the Ultron coin market cap and its launches, I think, is gonna do well for the awareness of the blockchain by itself. So every kind of utility, every kind of progress is great. Yeah. Questions about Big Whale, like I said, it's coming in the first part of July, so it was a bit delayed. I don't know why. I'm not part of the tech team, so I don't know what's going on there. But it's coming. It's coming for sure, and it's coming in the first half of July, right after the Ultron coin market cap is launched. Akasha going up too. Akasha, well, there is. I'm not here to discuss price predictions or my opinions is just my opinions, and we are not in the business of discussing the prices, but there is the goal, of course, to increase massively the price of Akasha and to burn a lot of coins. There'll be 100 million supply. That's what I'm hearing. Maximum 100 million supply. So and those that have the node, we're gonna get the airdrops. Everyone that have a super node will get minimum 2% airdrop of every coin that is being launched, and it is expected to be around 4 airdrops a month. You get 2% of the value of Akasha. So people getting the airdrops, all of that creating more demand for Akasha, because you get it when it's fully filled, when the supernode is fully filled, and also you can take this coin and plug it into the node and earn more yield with it. I don't see all my hubs in my Mavi. Again, I already covered that. There is a maintenance going on. Yeah, Kimba is moving to Ultron. So everyone that had on Solana and you're part of the community, you'll be notified how you can move your Kimba to Ultron, because it's relaunched on Ultron. When you put the airdrops in the node, they will be there for 10 years. That I don't know. If it's a node for 10 years or 5 years or 2.5 years, it's gonna be locked and producing you rewards. Yeah. What do you think about memes? Asked Jesus Concha. I think it's very speculative, very, very speculative narrative in crypto. With coins like Pepe, for example, start to be quite popular. It's a lot of speculation, right? A lot of people made some crazy money on it, like Shiba Inu. There are some investors turned couple $1,000s into millions and millions of dollars. It happened, right? Most of the meme coins that are being launched are not good at all, right? Majority, like 99.9% of the meme coins. So the idea with the big whale is that the launches that are going to be official there, that it's not like the pump that fun meme coins that are being launched and then goes to zero after an hour or two. Can you confirm if the app is compatible with the Android S24 Ultra? I don't know. I'm not in a technical realm to know these details. Do you have any news according to Vodka? All I know is that Vodka is moved to Binance Smart Chain because the card is coming. Vodka card is coming, and they are like want to load their on the card on the Binance Smart Chain, and there's supposed to be the switch and airdrop. How exactly, when exactly, I don't know. I'm also waiting on this information. How to move staking hub to Meta Wallet. Isn't there a tutorial for that available? like inside there is a withdraw NFT, and you specify to which wallet you do it. Does the airdrop depend on which nodes we have funded, or do we just have to make sure the nodes we have are fully funded? The nodes that have the coins, Akasha coins, fully filled, those are going to be eligible for the airdrops. Every single airdrops on the Ultron coin market cap. And not just that, other projects as well. When will receive the first payment from FlipMe Banking? What is the estimated time between months? So right now all the cards are being connected and more usage. So we should see the payments paying out every couple months. That's what I understand. I'm living in Belgium. Is it possible to have a FlipMe card? I think there is earnsafe.com for the European people. Do we have to pay a yearly fee of $2.99 to use the FinUp? No, I'm not aware of that. No. Does it matter if it's ULX or Akasha? No, it doesn't matter. It can be either. FinUp support is FinUp send you an email when you sign up. So there is a support email over there. What is prediction of ULX? Well, every launch of the coins on Ultron, the blockchain, is increasing the demand for blockchain. So let's say in FlipMe becomes very successful and hundreds of thousands of users, and ULX staking is introduced, right? People have a bank account, they have different wallets, have different providers and cards, and they want to receive cashback. So to receive a cashback, they need to stake ULX. So staking ULX means they need to buy ULX, stake it, and you receive a cashback. So that can increase the price. And you can load ULX into the Akasha nodes. When ULX coin starts staking on Akasha super nodes, it's already there. It's already staking. Okay, so a lot of good things to expect. So there's gonna be an update on Monday and Tuesday. So tune in for those updates for the latest news about it. Can you explain how to read ULX to see the amount of ULX in circulation? It is over here on ulxscan.com. There is actually, you can see 193,000 wallets, 33 million transactions over here. You can see the amount of coins being staked in the validators. Burn tracker. In Maviar promotion to Diamond and so on, how will they change with stake and custody? I don't understand the question. Have have you already transferred any of your NFT? No, I didn't transfer my NFTs. I keep them in the system. I didn't transfer them. For me, it doesn't really matter to hold them in MetaMask, but I know for some people it matters. The levels will not change if you take custody of the. It's not going to change. I see. I'm not. I don't know about earning safe and all of these procedures, so I don't know. Emmanuel, you need to find a way to talk with the FlipMe team about that. Okay. Again, thank you so much for coming, for showing up. I hope you got a little bit smarter on the markets and everything that's going on. Wish everyone a blessed weekend and a great week. And let's all see great news unfold, and all the platforms blossom and succeed. Okay, everybody have a great